In this video, I will show you how to fix Canva not working, whether it's not loading, stuck on a blank screen, or just not opening properly. First, open your browser and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From there, go to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Here you will see all installed extensions in your browser. Now disable all extensions one by one using the toggle button. Sometimes extensions can block Canva from loading properly, so turning them off helps identify the issue. Next, go back to the 3 dots and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, select About Chrome. Here, click on Check for Updates and make sure your browser is fully updated. After updating, go back and try opening the Canva website again to see if the issue is fixed. If it still doesn't work, go again into Settings, then scroll down and click on Reset Settings. Select Restore settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. After that, restart your browser and check Canva again. Finally, if nothing works, search Canva down on Google and open the official Canva status page. If there is a global outage, then the issue is from Canva's servers, and you will need to wait until they fix it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.